Hello, friends. Welcome you all to Housekeeping Hospitality. Everybody knows now what situation is going on in this world due to Corona. Due to the virus, most of the industry are affected. But life changes every second, and so can you. Definitely, this Corona affecting each and every individual in this world, that may be any sector, but as we are belongs to hospitality sector, and everybody is suffering. That may be in terms of salary, that may be in terms of job. So everybody is on the same boat. So now in housekeeping hospitality, we are discussing on this subject because this is also very important nowadays. Everybody is going through stress, lot of dreams, but how to fulfill the dreams, how to fulfill our family dreams. So that's a major concern nowadays in this world. We are thinking how this situation will cross this over, so that we'll move ahead with a new direction, with a new imagination, with a new journey. So don't worry, life changes every second. And you know how you always turn down the volume on the TV or radio when you need to think clearly about something complicated or confusing. So now the situation is prevailing everywhere. You all are confused. You are confused. I am confused. Everybody is confused. What to do next? What to do next? The same is true for a life in general. The noise you need to cut out to concentrate. That is a noise in your head. The busy, worried thoughts screaming over your better judgment. What we should do in this situation. So, friends, turning down the radio refocuses your mind and offer you clarity when you need it most. You don't really think about how or why this makes such a huge difference. You just know that it does. Definitely it does. So now it's time to apply this same strategy to all over other noise in your life, starting with the noise in your head. And although it's not quite as easy as spinning the radio volume dial, the good news is you can quiet your mind. You only can. And train it to think more rationally simply by reminding yourself to do so every day. Some people call them affirmations or convictions, but in any case, daily remind keep you on track by keeping peaceful, productive thoughts. So we'll discuss 10 codes can be used, or mantra, the silent reminders to help tweak your thoughts and quiet your anxious mind. So just be with me for 5-10 minutes more or 12 minutes more. The number one, everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. So pay close attention to the thoughts you choose. They have a way of becoming real. What you thought, that definitely will be real. So it's not you, not me, everybody. Everybody has a dream, everybody has a thought, and that thought we have to put in a paper, and then it's become reality when we'll make it happen, when we'll work towards it, when we'll try to achieve it. So embrace your hands, embrace your hands, just welcome the thought. But for that you have to be quiet first. You have to think, sit, think, be quiet, what to choose. Second one, there is absolutely nothing about your present circumstances that prevents you from making progress. Just to require one step at a time. There is absolutely nothing about your present circumstances. Okay, this will also go. This will also go. The third is worry, and you'll get what you worry about. You will work and you will get what you work for. It's often just that simple. If you'll think of positive, you'll get positive. You'll think of negative, you'll get negative. You'll think worry, you will get worry. You will work towards it, you will get the result. That may be negative, positive, but you will get a result. So open your arm, take a deep breath, just relax. This situation will also go. Nothing can be stayed here. The fourth is true purpose has no time limit. True purpose has no deadline. Don't worry and stress yourself out. Just do the one thing that you can right now. Is what you can right now. If you get tired, just learn to rest, not quit. So be quiet, my friends. Be quiet. Sleep tight. Okay? Nothing is impossible in this world. Everything will go. Everything was going. It will go. Fifth one, you have to accept that some chapters in your life have to close without closure. There is no point in losing yourself by trying to fix what's meant to stay broken. How much you try, that is need to be broken means it will be broken. You have to believe it that right now the corona is prevailing everywhere. Right now the industry is down. Right now we don't have job, but we are not dead. We are alive. We can make the difference. I will do something differently. Everyone you meet can teach you something important. In fact, the people who are the most difficult to deal with can also be your most valuable teachers. So all the feedbacks, all the drawbacks they are telling about you, your situation, take it positively and put them in track. Just don't stand and look. Act right now, then you will get the result. Don't think about corona. Don't think about the industry situation. Think about what you can do to survive, what you can do to make your life better, excellent. Seventh one, take constructive criticism seriously, but not personally. Listen and then operate with your own institution. And wisdom as you guide. People will tell you a lot of things, but only listen. But do what you have already kept in your mind, what you have thought, what you are capable of, what you are more capable of, what you can do right, what is your capabilities. Make them happen. Make them happen. Okay? People will tell a lot of things. Eighth one, don't run away from things. Run towards them. The best way to move away from something negative is to move towards something positive. Okay, do not run away from the situation. Right now it's happening. Okay, what I can do, I'll do positive things. I'll try. This is my life. This is my choice. Okay, this situation will go. Okay, this situation time will never keep everything in the heart. Time means changing. Time means good. Time means bad. So bad situation is happening, it will go. Some life changes look negative and painful on the surface, but you'll soon realize that space is being created in your life for something new and beautiful to emerge. So just think, something has happened in your life means something very, very excellent is going to happen in the coming future. Just sit tight, okay? Sit tight, take a deep breath, and the environment has created, the space has created for you, my friend. Everything will happen. It will happen good for you. Feeling stuck is a feeling, not a fact. So never assume that you are stuck in corona. With the way things are, life change every second, and so can you. Life will change every second. So don't think that you are stuck. You didn't get a job since 6 months, 7 months, 1 year due to corona. I am stuck, my family is stuck, I am not able to earn money. So my friends in housekeeping hospitality and whoever watching this video, please think positive, do positive, it will happen positive for you. So you just think that this is a journey, not a destination. This is not the destination that you will be stuck. It's just a journey. You are just walking on a road. You got something, then you will go away. Bad has happened to you. Now it's time the bad will go. You will jump. You will enjoy. You will embrace your future with good, positive thoughts. Okay? So don't get stuck. Don't think that you got stuck. This is just a time. Time will go. Time will change. Everything will come to you. You don't need to go anywhere. Be where you are. Okay, everything will come to you. Just focus on your mind. Take a deep breath. Okay, give some space to you. Give some time to you. Think what you are good at. Do it rightly, correctly. Life changes every second, and so can you. We have discussed it today. I know very well everybody who is listening to me, who is watching this video, you will be encouraged today, and from tomorrow onwards or right now, you will take a step toward the positiveness in life, and he will do whatever he is good at. So thank you all for watching this video. I'll keep on getting lots of video in housekeeping hospitality. The situation will go, my friends. Just sit tight. Everything will be happy. Everything will be excellent in your life. So please subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you from Mehir.